Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to show some example of variable. So here I just declare a variable a is equal to 50 and I am just printing this. So similar way I can create a multiple variable with different data type. Let's see. Um, let's print this. Print it. Now I am going to show you assigning value to multiple variable a comma b comma c is equal to 50. Now let's print this value. This cannot unpack non-iterable integer object. 1 minute, that's not a big problem. A is equal to b is equal to c. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Now we can assign 50 to all the variables. So now we can assign multiple value to multiple variable. 50, 60, let's see. Now 50 and 60 got assigned to A, B and C. So this is just example of how to create a variable. Now let me show you another variable. A is equal to 5.0. So it means I created one more variable where value is 5.0. Print A. Similarly, I can assign this value A to value B. Yeah. Thank you.